It's a damn fine, beautiful day out. Look at this. It's Friday, sun's coming up. You know, about to get some content today. I got great news for the channel, boys. Great news. Honestly, probably the best news since I got the shifter cables redone. Look at these shifter cables. By the way, if you haven't seen that video, oh yeah, nice and routed. The dash is in. It's looking good. But even better news yet. Boom. This is what I'm talking about. This is the real cleanest of the clean. All right, so I may have messed up. Keep it short and simple. I was going right on red, so you're allowed to do that here in Arizona. The lady in front of me had turned and gone, and it seemed like she had already left the lane. So I looked left, and cleared the way. There was a car in the farthest lane. So there's 3 lanes, so I could turn it and it would have been fine. So I thought she'd already taken off, so I stabbed it in first, right into her rear end. So that's what's going on today. You're probably wondering, well, Tyler, tkirkmedia, what are you gonna do? Well, it's not a part out. Everything runs and drives. It's not really like completely foobar, but it is pretty bent up, so likely things all need to be replaced. I know this didn't happen from the accident. I'm wondering if I'll probably have to get these brackets just in case, but this is damaged from opening the hood because it's so far back. I don't know if anything over here is damaged. It definitely took some impact on the bumper here. The bumper I'm not worried about, I'll replace later. I just need to get it looking somewhat presentable for the time being, because I gotta clean this car up. And that's what I'd been working on previous to. Obviously I got a lot of nonsense here going on in the engine bay, and that was all like slow, long con, clean this stuff up. But now that we have all this to take care of and I have more body work added on, I have to paint the car. That's what it's come down to. So I have a lot of body work to do. I've got, well, not really in the front here. This is all just like buy a fender, buy a hood, buy a bumper, pull the radiator support. If anything, I might just end up buying a radiator support and redoing it, doing the spot welds and stuff like that. It's for the channel, for the content, and because this one's pretty bent. We might be able to salvage it, but I'm trying to stay positive today here. It is a little annoying. It's a setback, but I'm all right. It could have, you know, could have been worse, and nothing. I mean, it was my fault. You're like an idiot, honestly. So, PD, what do you think of this setup here? I'm waiting. Pretty clean, right? It's got aero mods. But yeah, so me and PD Boy are gonna head to the junkyard today, possibly certifit, depending on what we end up doing. All right, I gotta sit you down, bud.
Darren, I could be every teenage kid.
Yeah. We're extra Honda today. Extra Honda. There we go. I'm gonna get some rollers done. Yeah, that is really caved in. Holy cow. Yeah. I don't know if much bending. I mean, I'll get bending to get it working for now, but I'll be needing a new one of those. Shouts out. But I'll have to probably pull it. We'll use the Jeep, dude. That's all. I'm just gonna pull this forward with like a come-along strap or something in a tree, you know. Just winch it out, you know. You got a winch. Winch it out.
You know that was like that?
I think that was already like that. But yeah, so hood's off. We're ready to roll out. We're going to the junkyard, and that's what we're gonna do. So we'll see you there. Let's get this done. Let's get this done so I can move on to actual content on the Subaru, because that's what I'm working towards doing today, is getting some work done on the Subaru. It's Friday or something like that. Really don't know. Made it to the junkyard. Complete bust, like 100% bust. Like every set of headlights were busted out. Every clear corner or side marker is busted out. All the hoods were crunched up. So, and there was only like 4 or 5 Civics. I called the local certifit. We're here. We're gonna grab one. We're gonna install the hood in this parking lot and make our way down the road and towards cleaning this car up. But man, I'm very surprised that the dealer, or not the dealer, but the actual yard that I go to is like completely like nothing, like everything was gone. There was actually one Civic that was completely torn down and the spot welds were missed. Like they had the spot welds drilled out, the whole front end was removed. That would have been my bet, but well, yeah, you see we're here, so that didn't go so well. Oh man, we're kind of doing this on the fly here, but here's the cost for the fender and the hood after tax. Petey's undoing the hood's blouse over here, and but we got this guy on deck with the Allen key. We're gonna do the password G80M like risers anyways, because I have them, might as well just put them back on. Drop her down a little slow. Okay. Now we actually need to put her in. We go in? Oh, yeah, that's a little jank. Oh, glad that's over. Now I'm gonna have to like finesse it a little more to get it on there, but it's definitely secured. It's not, the latch is kind of going in. So I'm gonna have to see what I can do on the quick. I don't have any hammers, so as long as it doesn't come out going down the freeway, I'm happy. But here we go. Here's a start.